specializing in Scada and PLC control. We recently did a Scada furnace, continuous mesh belt line furnace, and divided into 4 sections. First section is the hardening zone, where 3 temperature zones are created, and each zone, the set value and the process value is monitored in the Scada with the temperature being recorded. Also, there are some auxiliary recordings, auxiliary logging of the values are there, which will be informed. So the hardening line is followed by the quenching line, which is oil quenching. Post oil quenching, there is a washing zone, and in washing zone, the hardened component with the residue of oil is cleaned. Oil skimmer motor is there, air flower is there, and spray pump is there, all being monitored and recorded when the motor is running and when it is tripped. Followed by the tempering line, where the fans are used with their RPM being logged in the Scada control. Also, the temperature zones the temperature in each zone is recorded. So the complete furnace is shown as a complete furnace and also in the subsections, so that we can see the status of the motors. And all these temperature values, fan RPMs, fan status, pump status is logged. And the process alarms are created for each zone, for each pump, and whenever there is a problem, it is being recorded in the alarms. And all the temperature trends are stored and shown in the graphical way. And all the furnace data, which is the temperature in different zones, can be made as a recipe. So whenever there is a product change, simple recipe recall will change the values. And all these data of the different points are created in an Excel report format, which will be stored in the computer. So the product description, material grade, lot number, quantity, product weight, shift, line number, and hardness, what is desired. Everything is stored in the table format in the Scada, and which can be exported in the Excel format, which can be seen anywhere in the office. So right now we show it, the file is being exported. Now it will be opened in the Excel format. So we see the file is opened in the Excel format, all the relevant details along with the timestamp. We have Little Systems, a 31 years experienced company totally focused towards PLC, automation and Scada for all the industrial and process applications.